The girl want to see the last one? You can see the whiteboard. You can see the screen. Yeah, clear. Clear. Too many ago what I display? Too many ago what I display? Okay, third row, this one. Yeah. You can see the done. The sketch you cannot see. Okay. Paria? Learn Paria lah. What's up? PC spoil ya? Spoil ya? This one no Wi-Fi. No Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi where me? Network ni. Network. Here don't have Wi-Fi one. Only network. Plug out plug in here mà. Try already. Jangan. Okay, today Friday, so wait. We must skip 1 week, Then trigger got done? Trigger?
Yeah, no, last week.
Exercise got do or not? Do exercise question or not? You got 7 questions in the practical. 1 question you don't have, right? So does it cover the practice side, right? Yes. Never mind. We can finish this one, then go back to exercise. You can't very shortly. Okay, we finish this one, then we go for the exercise and see how many questions we get. Okay, so practical file you need to download. Okay, practical file, please download the file. Practical file need all these files. Okay, order detail, record, and the rest. Okay, tracking you already have already. So you need this one. Okay, order detail, record in the table. Practical file. We will do any exercise one, so we'll do later. Then we come with this one first, asking this one very short. We can finish it.英文，即兴，即兴 what's in front of you? Last week see at the back. 来吧。
Today I come early.
Today come early lah. Not come together with others meh? Alone ah? Cannot be mah. Wait, see, Wei Bin, Yaling, Dennis, Eugene, Wei Song, Ding Yu. Okay, Jason is here. Xiao Xian. Okay. Seng Hai, Wei Zhen, Jia Yi, Jia Han, Zhu Tek, Jia Sun, Wai Zhong, So Sun Wai Zhong, Nhìn không á? Chong Han, Wen Yao. This one for class because it's not for class before 11.
Not sure relativity.
Oh. Eating what your exam is in the last row.
Oh.
Yeah, you see the last row at the corner side. 为什么？看很远啊，不是看很远噻。哦，OK。嘉豪，给Chan Yu。Only one person here. 2%. Okay, right, start. We start with index. Okay, so in your assignment, primary index you know to create. When you set the primary key, Oracle automatically index the columns. So you don't need to create primary index. What you need to do is you focus on this secondary index. You need to create one second index to get 2 marks. Okay? Second index is column other than primary key. Column other than primary key. And normally in the where statements. Where statements. Okay, if the where condition need to use the column, then you index that column. For example, Shopee. The two most column that you search is search by name and search by price. So if price you arrange the ascending, descending, then after that the name you can like what name, products. These two is more common to search by the data. Okay, when you purchase on something online. Therefore, these two columns you can put index to make the searching process faster. Okay, but there's a problem that every user, the pattern and the way that he enter data can be different. Some they put all lowercase, some put all uppercase, some combination and so on. So in order to get the data as you can get, so what you can do, better use upper function. That means you upper or lower is okay but I prefer use upper. Okay? Means you convert the whole column, the data inside uppercase before compare. Okay, the reason behind is you put uppercase to compare to lowercase, they are not matching. Okay, in Oracle, the select symbol is not quite case sensitive, but the data you enter to the system is case sensitive. Like when you enter your name, address, all this case sensitive. Okay, this is different. So now we go to create a second index. So now I want to copy the code and go to all into Oracle. Let's do plus. So this one you they chase you out. It's no good lah. Okay. Pray enough who comes first who get the same. Okay. 好啦，OK， 当下的我好心的。OK， 来开始。Okay, so you go start. Okay, come. So now what I will do is I want you to create an index. You copy this one first. And at first you cannot see any data. The reason behind is the user didn't key in all uppercase. There's other combination, so we cannot search data. But you use upper function, you can get the data. This upper. Okay. The second one you can get Okay, maybe you can set lines like this side first. Okay. So you can see this. Alright, you got 15 products. You did 15 products. Okay, the reason is you upper the full column cells before you go to compare. So what I want to tell you that it's better to do it this way. It's better. Okay, then you can get all the data. See, just how I didn't upper, so that's why I cannot search any data. Because some people key lowercase, some key combination, so I cannot catch those data. Okay, therefore I upper the whole column first before searching. So this column, what I need, you can use it. Okay, like this, you can see, I create index. Okay, I need to draw a unit. Okay, I need to draw a unit. Create index, product name index, on product table, uppercase the product name. So this is what I want to create. Okay, so in the final, in the assignment, what you need to do is you create index and explain why you need to use the index. Okay, for example, you can say I choose the product. For example, this example, I use the product name to create. I use product name column to create the index. Okay, because most of the customer searching the product by product names. Like that, 2 marks. So each person go to do one index. Okay, so you have 5 team members, then everyone go to pick one index. Okay, see now, index 2 marks, sequence 2 marks, then those column setting 2 marks. Okay, then we got this what is that? What other else we have? Column setting. Forgot it, don't refer the assignment. Okay, so everything extra mark. Maximum is 15. I hope that you can get as much as you can. 15 over 15 is better lah, if you want to get A. Because your course mark is 70%. So your assignment higher will help you in the final. Okay, I got one student, even though the coursework is not that high, about 78 over 80%. But in the exam, he get 90, so still can get A plus A. Okay, they help a lot. So you can, your coursework get higher as possible. Okay, and because your final exam 30%. Yeah, so remember that. So I see a grade index. So now I want you to run this again. This assignment again. Anything you feel before and after you create an index? Anyone tell me? Any difference before create index and after create index? You run the same QB. Are you feel faster? No. Are you feel faster? You tell me. I ask you. Okay? Go faster. Can you feel it? It there. There is no difference. Okay? The reason behind it is our number of record is very less. Let's say you got 2 million record, then you can see few minutes, second you need wait before answer come out. There are few million record, but now not many, only 15. So they like see no difference. Okay? Because our record number is still less. But for the records large, you can see a difference. Significant few seconds difference. Okay, so this tell you but here now you cannot feel anything. But the purpose of the index is to make the record searching faster. Okay, this one I tell you Okay, now we go to the next one. We finish the index topic. So I want you to create 1 second index in your assignment. Okay, 2 marks. Then now we go for the view and view. Okay, go to the view. So we have virtual tables. Okay, view is not real one. What they store is only store the formula to translate. So actually your view is created using the lecture. So you can see only the first one where all the place view name as select segment. So you create based on the actual. So view also can create sub view and sub view. Okay, how to do it? For example, calculate your headquarter. HR, all the stuff for every branch. But go to the departments, they only allow the KL branch people see the KL stuff detail. This next the sub view divide by branch now. So every branch has full detail of their stuff. But staff after get head receive the data, when you want to pass to the downline, they mean maybe the payroll or whatever. But they also cannot give them all the confidential data, like where they stay, well, how much their salary, all these things. It's very confidential for the normal clerk to know that kind of data. What can you do? You can filter another level, sub view, filter the number of columns. At first the line, your table got 15 tables, but go to the clerk, they only see 5 columns only for the ID, name, address, contact number, email. The rest cannot see. So number, EPF number, all these are hard from the others. So they have another level. So you can create many sub level, doesn't matter. Okay? Means another one means we can create one view based on another view. Okay, later I'll show you that. I'll create the main view first. Main view is the full column one. Then sub view I only pick few columns. From the long list, only few columns. Right? Then after that, the view break to 2 main categories, simple and complex. Simple means attached to one table without any special keywords, such as this thing, goodbye account, all these things. You can not just normal select, okay, without all special keywords. Okay, then you can have 3 options. The option here is one is modify without condition. Second one is modify with condition. Third one read only. So we have 3 choices for the simple view. And most people use one is only these 2. We can use a view to insert data or update data or delete data, but with a checking. Check before you do this update delete. Okay? So another is make your data only can read, cannot do anything. This one normally used for display menu. Okay? Display menu means you cannot change anything, you just can see from the menu. Like Shopee, anyone can hack to the Shopee system, change the price to lower. Like handful 3,000 make it 3 ringgit. Tell me how to do it. Right? If you know how to do it, not possible. Because the view they let you read only, you can do other things. You won't affect the actual view. Okay? So there are 3 choices. But the complex view don't need to see, they don't have choice, they only for read. Complex view. Okay? So other than that, okay, what we can do is we can merge, we can use view and actual table together in the same queue. It means we can use a view as normal table. So we can create, you write a select statement, you can select from the actual table and view together in one single queue. You can understand what I mean? That means virtual tables and actual table used together in the same set list. You can do that. Later go by example. Okay? So now go do one by one. Okay, go to the first one first. Okay, so now I want you to create the first view. Okay, first option only one table. Main view. Okay. This is a main view. Okay, I want to create this. Okay, this is an actual table. Employees is an actual table. So I create it's all view created and will display the view result. Okay, copy both and run. We'll define one. Okay, 25. Okay, 25 stuff. You want how many? 23. 23. Then I know what happened. It was class recorded. You do it, Okay, I think only got 23 lah. Let me check. After delete. Okay, 23 Okay, 23. Now I want you to go to insert 2 record. Okay, these 2 record. Okay, you insert. No. Okay, 23 So now we go to create subview first. That's how we create main view, select every column for the employee. But we create subview. You can see the subview name, main view name is this. Office 1 staff. So office 1 staff, is main view. Simple office one is a sub view. So I create the sub view for the main view. I just pick 5 corners. Okay. So now I want you to copy and run. Then you only can see only few columns instead of all the columns. This is a sub view. Okay. Also can be treated because only few columns. Other data they cannot show. Okay. So anyone oppose? Create a main view from the sub view. No, create sub view from the main view. Okay. So we create it. Then after that, what you want to do is because the view here is a simple view, because it's only attached to one table. Only employee, no others. So this is considered as a simple view. So simple view got 3 options. So we try to do the first version first. Okay, first these are view. Okay, so this very simple view. How do you know there's a simple view? Very simple. When it has a simple view attached to one table and they don't have the constraint at the below. They don't have check option constraint, they don't have read only constraint. Just a normal. That means it's free to insert after the no condition, no checking. So now I want you to copy this. Then you run. Okay, view is override there. The simple view is override there. Okay, override. So now what you want to do is I want you to insert these 2 records. Okay. The error I demo to here is what? Okay, is this. Okay, because this one suppose cannot insert. Branch 1 manager suppose only can insert staff 1 staff, the branch 1 staff only. But here I also insert the staff from branch 2. Okay, this one can be done because we didn't do verification. If got validation, second record cannot insert. But now you insert 2, copy, go run. You can freely insert, then you can see these 2 records in the actual table. Okay, then go to select actual table. Employees is our actual table, employee. So you go to see, then you can see the data. The school is there. Normally in the last 2. Okay, suppose this one cannot insert. Okay, we can insert because we didn't check any condition. So just simply insert. So there's no good so first version seldom people use. You'll allow user to use a view to insert data, but make sure you do checking before you insert. Don't simply add. Okay, so now I try to put this one. Okay, the next one. The next record, what I did is I go to second options. With the last row, you can see the last row. We check option constraint. Then this can be any name. Any name you can put. What the meaning of this line? We check option constraint. Please check every single condition in the web. So I only put 1. Okay, you also can put office code equal to 1. And sex must be female, and the age must be below 25. All these you can put if you want. But for me, for demo purpose, I need to put 1 condition. Office code must equal to 1, then you just insert. Office 1 manager only can insert office 1 staff. This is what I put here. Okay, so now we go to override. Copy. Then now we go to change this one to 103. Go to 1 and 2 got any one? No. 0 and 1 2 lah. Okay, 2 This one is 0 and 1 so now it's 2 lah. So now go to insert, they will give the error. They say we check option variation, where cross variation, something like that. Okay, so view, we check option, where cross variation. Your this not match must be branch 1 to branch 2. That's why they stop you to insert. Because of last line here, we check option condition, check every single condition in the web. Get it? Okay, now cannot insert now with this error. The next one, what we're going to do is we're going to come up with the option 3. Read only, so you can see the last row. we read only constraint, then can be any value you have. Okay, so now we overwrite this one, this version. Then you go to insert, they will tell you cannot insert something called DML operation. Okay, cannot perform DML operation. Okay, I overwrite same view but with the last row. So now we go to try to insert, they will give you error. Even though the number is correct and the batch number is correct, but they not allow you to insert. They'll tell you this table only for read, cannot do any change. So cannot perform a DML operation on the read only view. Read DML here refer to data manipulation language, refer to insert update delete. We cannot do this thing in the table because we only set this table only can read, cannot do other things. Okay, so we have three options. Okay, so we very useful. You can use a temporary location to insert the actual data. We check it. Okay, do without check. Okay, so there are three options there. Anyone have problem with this? Then we go to next one, complex view. Complex view, as I tell you, only more than one table and your group by having all these keywords, so automatic is read only. So we can read this and display the data. I order view, order view is a complex view, so you cannot do anything, only can read. Then you got data 3030. 3030. Alright? Okay, this is using a complex view, this is an example complex view. Then after that we have one more is actual table mixed with the virtual table. So you can see this customer table is actual table. This high order view is a virtual table. So in the same statement, I can use virtual and actual table together to display answer. Of course, I also 303 row. Okay, instead of this, you also can get 303 row. Okay, so this get more data. Okay. So this is what I will tell you. Okay, you can use a virtual and actual table together in a single set. It's okay. Okay, then next one, we will refer to the user data. And we call it metadata. Okay, all the metadata stored in one location called data dictionary. So Oracle got a lot of data dictionary, is a get ready one. Allow you to ask. For example, you can list this. Select table names for users. Okay, users tables. So you can list out all the table you have in the system. Okay, this is all the table I have. I think you're quite similar like this. Huh?
Sorry, sir.
Why not?
Type object.
How serious?
Just.
Can change your space tire, but you need to change yourself. Okay, never mind. You save to here. It's already thanks God. Yeah. Sometimes accident can be happening. Okay. Okay. Why Trung Why Trung And then one more Wing Hao Wing Yao.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now we go to our next. Any problem? User data. User tables. This one is under user tables. You got what? You got user views. You got user sequence. You got user index. User source. All this is data. User source is display source code. User view, display all view. Okay? User sequence, all sequence. So this is things okay that we can do. So we can do the rest. We can test others. This is a user view. Okay, user view, all the view we have lah. But I can put one more condition. Okay, so we can select where. Okay, okay, the name equal to you like that. Okay, so one view is a high, one view one, right? So percent view. Okay, I need for one high what view. Okay, one view. Okay, so this one, so we try to search. user view, you just grab view just now. Okay. Oh, user views. Oh, view name. Okay, so you can see high order view. Okay, user view, view name. I forgot it. Just on table name, that's a view name. View names. Okay, and then you also can use constraint. I also want you put names there. Yeah. Where? Constraint name. Constraint name. Also like. Okay, we have one constraint name just now. Okay, like percent. This one we got read up. Okay, READ. Okay, read I think got one read only view one. So you can copy this. Alright, the constraint name we have this. Then we can get it. Office one read only. This is the view just how we do it. Okay, the view last one we do it. And then you also can see the source code for your class, the source code. Okay, the user source. Okay, so we got source code, you display your trigger code. This is the code you type in here. Trigger, calculate SSC selling price, before it's our update of product price or product one, for each row, begin row. This is source code. So it seems like very ugly because the text is too long. You want to display nicer, what you can do? You put column. Okay, column, text. Okay, hundreds. Format A100. Format A100. Column text A100s. Then you go to select them again. Then you put it in a nice way. Okay, this is a user source. I teach you in a practical form. Source code for your trigger, function, procedure, all inside this thing. User source. You just put a name on it. Okay? Then we finish our practical 7. 6, I teach you already, right? See, remember, correct sequence? Now we go to practical 5 exercise. Because many people okay, so we do the exercise. Okay, so go to the practical 5 exercise.
Yeah.
You don't need type, this one called the code. Data. Code is same. But just add in the column text format A100. Okay, so we can proceed to practical 5 exercise. Practical 5 exercise, okay. Okay. So practical exercise. Before that, I want to reset the data first. I will do reset. You don't need to, because I teach many classes, I need to do some reset. Okay, that's how I take quite a long time to search parking. See, lecturer also cannot search parking. We are so sad. Staff also cannot get.
What's the learn parking?
Oh, you already getting. So what I do?
It's my first time.
So me like. I know you got skateboard, I don't have that. I saw some students got skateboard, I want song eh. Huh? Free one eh?
You buy? No.
Free one eh?
No,
Free
no,
one, yeah, flowers ah.
You can buy the portable one.
Or how to buy, carry it every time ah?
Yeah.
The double is, you upload, you.
Scooter also can lah.
You set your time.
Okay. But how about student carry lecturer?
Okay ah.
Just kidding. Yeah. I do all that.
Assignment I never only one.
Okay, lie. Go to the practical 5 exercise. Okay, we do 3 questions. See 1 hour can finish something.
Modify.
1 hour.
Okay, now about 3 hours.
This is like
What's the name? 啊？
没事。
没事啊，不要了，再接再厉，下个再买我，OK？just kidding lah. Please don't break my record lah. Last person got 100% pass. 你们要接maintain. Last person 100%. You know lah, got people get very low lah, 50 over but still pass mah. See, don't fail your subject. Okay, I don't want to manuscript too nice.
所以最容易就
很容易啊，就是真容易还 fail 就是歹死。Okay? Yeah. You come up with question very simple one. Just do fast, can do only. 2-3 set lah, the reasoning one. 2-3 set in the reasoning. Okay, 4 questions. The rest, others no. Okay, look at this. Okay, so add a new column to customer tables to store each customer cumulative purchase. Means you add 1 more column called cumulative purchase in your customer tables. Okay, so your customer tables. So before that, I want to select describe. Describe the 3 tables. Okay. Okay, price, orders. Gimana? Tengok ke sana. Ini ingat. Jadi ada sampai di sini semua. OK， 早些听到的呢，要找我。
明天7月。
OK， 哎呀，啦，I didn't do any wrong. Okay, look at this. So now what you need to do? You create 1 table in the employees, other customers. Okay, add 1 new column called cumulative purchase. So what you do in the order detail table to make all this purchase cumulative? How? That means what in the order detail? Quantity times price each. The value you get, you update to the customer table cumulative purchase. This is what you need to do. Okay, now? So but they have 1 problem. Okay, how you know which customer you need to update? You only got order detail. Here don't have customer order detail. You don't have customer ID. How you know this order belong to which customer? So you need have a select element to get the customer ID, right? Customer number. So to what? To this value. Using in order tables. Because I told you already, whatever value we're going to insert is new. So in your order detail, there's a new order ID, okay, new customer ID, then this quantity type, price, total, and so on. All these values is new value. Okay, so that new order number we use in the order table. The order detail they got order number So when you insert the first value, there's a new order number. So I use that value, pass to here. When the order number, you got a new order number, please show me the customer number. Then you have this value already. This value is very important because why? We're going to update this customer cumulative purchase. So we need one level. Get wherever the customer ID, customer number, based on the new order number, get it, then pass it, and then add to their customers. So now I want you to add one more column to your customer first. So you describe customer. Okay, they only like this, they don't have cumulative purchase. So now I want you to add in new columns. So I want you to create a new file, P5Q1. Okay, P5Q1. So you need two tables. One more table is called order detail record. So I remove that one. Okay. So now we need to create columns. Outer table. Okay. Customers. Add cumulative purchase. Number 11 default 0. Okay, now add this column first. Okay, we copy and run in here. So we destroy a table again. You can see it in the last columns. Cumulative purchase. Okay, this is the first thing to answer you. Last question, The next question is I'll ask you to create one new columns. Okay. Then after that, what we do is, okay, now I want you go to select the segments. Write the select segment. Select. Thank you. So come to here. We have the product. You can see all 0. Okay, all 0. So now what you do is, as this table, you delete your order detail first. Delete all the order detail tables. All the record, every row. Delete for order detail. So your 2996 row, erase. 2996 row, erase. Okay. So now we're going to create trigger. We get the risk value increase. So now, create replace trigger cumulative because after this insert, then the amount just plus to the cumulative this customer tables. So it's after. Okay, I think previously I used before, right? Now it's after. Because after the insert that row, then amount just go to the customer there minus. Because after. So after insert on order detail. Okay, after insert the order detail.
Details per row.
Huh?
Details per row.
After that, for each row, then begin end. Okay, so this I tell you that you need one more variable. So you Okay, variable customer number. Okay, so now we already done. Go to the customer table. Dot customer number percent type. This is what you learn in the practical form. Okay, copy the type of the forms. Okay, variable like this. Okay, after that go to select elements. Okay, select. Okay, customer number. Input. I use the order table, pass in the value you're going to insert in the order detail, new order number. So you get the order number, substitute here, you get the customers. And then this customer number is stored in this variable. So when you update, you update. Okay, update. Okay. Customers. Set cumulative equal to cumulative plus so, what should I put in here? What should I put here? Formula? Anyone hear me? Refer to order detail table. The column for order detail table.
Quantity order times
Price each. So new quantity order times new quantity of new price each. Okay? New quantity order times new price each. Okay, now go to run. See whether we get any error or not. Yeah. Okay, so now what I want to do is alliance, draw in the whole order detail tables. Whole order detail tables. Then run. Okay, order detail alliance. Then you can see now your order detail got data. You go to your select element in the that one, this one. You can see a value. Of course, still a certain column is 0, but majority the value is updated. So that's it. This is a value which is majority the value. Is it the value? New one. Simply. Oh, trigger the run. So check it. What's that? Symbol the 2 dot new 啊 ，2 dot new， 打错嘛 ，2 dot new。
begin there。
哦。
肯定是你应该回来说最后没有放水口的地方。有。啊，你这样子下面那个溜到
什么问题？做什么的？原本是提供，也是那个你的嘛，你的去稍微那个一个发一个或者叫 order detail。啊，要order detail。那个 alliance， 也是 order alliance。哇，还有 spring green color 吗 ？Very sensitive color 活该。Then go to select element, you can see the way it's up. The select element, no, next one. The select element, they got C, they got value, instead of D. Yes, cannot. What error? Symbol begin. Ayo, customer talk common we customer there, not. New price sheet spelling software. Spelling software. Price. Delete from here actually. Delete from here. 你 delete 没有 ？delete. Okay. Then grab your order detail. Okay. Then grab in the No. Order detail record. Go download. Download it. Okay. Then after that you go to run your select and you can see already. Lion. 不是这个是吗？哦，改名字了。
有没有可能刚刚
你第二个。 Esa ni de nó có lúc em này là không đủ để cho đi bên nào đâu.还是你推荐别人推荐别人。喂，从这没你 rest 一个的，你操作了，你 go to the trigger download，你 go to the my folder， ketika ke folder 还有个因为你是重新你的那些跟它全部比起来。啊，你上我另外 table 你用我感觉 table 还是？Alliance. Anyone here but the rest of the day? Okay, Lemai, we continue. Next questions. Okay, now we go to second question. New and new tables. Second question. P5Q2. Okay, each question one part. P5Q2. And you ready to see what you want first. Same thing, new column. Products tables, new column called unit, total unit sold. Okay. Same thing. Okay, now is the products. Okay, other table products. Total unit sold. Add. Okay, total unit sold. Units, total unit sold. Sending number 11 and import 0. Okay, the stats, add the new columns. And describe products. Total units sold in the last one. Same thing, write a select elements. Okay, select code. And then convert. Okay, so now should be all 0. Okay, so now I want to delete this record. All the record in the order detail erase. Okay, order detail. Okay, 2996. Okay, so now we're going to write a trigger. Means every time you buy, the purchase quantity add on. Oh, okay. This one more simple, no need pass any parameter. We just need to get new quantity order for the order tables. So just go to also after insert on order detail. Okay, so update. This one directly update products. Update products. Save. Okay, plus what? Yes, new quantity. So you can see, the first two questions all depend on what every trigger do their own thing. So you can see when you insert the order detail, many trigger run at the same time. You do others. Okay, so what is the condition in the boot? Equal to what?
New.
Yes, new product. You insert in the order detail. I think just like that. This one more simple, no need to select everything, just by the update. Okay, now wait. 你们真的没有听到人唱歌？有啊，下课啊，有啊。啊？不怕吗？我是不怕，我问你们有听到吗？没有。OK，那老师你听到？没听到。你还一直在唱歌。哦，你还一直啊？我没有听到。听到没？没有。真的没有。啊，我是听到讲，秋叶，等着你回来。啊，OK。So run. So after that, you run this trigger. You go to insert your order detail. Order detail. And you can see. Okay, so now we go to like this and go answer it. Okay, go value it. Second question more simple. You no need pass the parameter, so you just directly get the value. The value you want to insert in the order detail, just pass into any query you need. 我们看一下第三题。If you can now go to question 3. Still got time. Triggering means that we automatically update the product quantity in stock each time an order transaction is processed. Means what? minus.
Quantity in stock minus.
Yeah, quantity in stock equal to quantity in stock minus the new order quantity. New quantity order. Just like that. Okay, right? So this one very simple. No need to insert any new column. So P5 Q3. New P5 Q3. Trigger is like this. After only lines. So of course we need to delete all the record again. All the okay, so we need to write a select statement. After lunch this one, you have a select statement, right? Okay, I think we got to choose one product. There's so many products here. And quantity. OK，我们记一个就好了啦。记一个别人第一个啦，看看第一个是什么。this one 啊，1678。Because it's so many, I don't remember so many. I just remember one only. The first one, see the value got changed 了，7933啊，1678S 了。OK。7933了，不错了。So now we go run this one. Then go run the order detail. Order detail. Run the order detail. The other day go select the one, the first one, the 1678 one, see whether the amount will change. Change the name. From 7933 change to 6676. But very bad lah, some of minus negative. Okay, all the damage follow. I don't care. Okay, from 7933 change to 6876. OK， 那我看看还有哪一个是我的底线。Which breaker attached to order detail？ 第一、第二、第三。Oh, okay. Now do delete the order detail. Do delete the order detail. So now we got this. The record in order detail table cannot be deleted. You do this one. You mean you cannot delete it. Now you insert it, right? Now we go to write a trigger to control people cannot delete. So P5Q7 order detail table cannot delete. Okay. So go to P5Q7. That means 1, 2, 3, 7 is referred to the order detail tables. Okay. So now it's a P5Q7. P5Q7. Create or erase. This one simple until I raise application error minus 20,000 order detail record cannot be. Just like that. I just have a very simple. Just stop people to delete record. Normally our recording we keep for 7 years. Okay, some people is like they write a trigger, they check the date, they compare today's date and the last date. Is it more than 7 years? If yes, they delete. Something like that you also can do. But here they didn't ask for checking. We just do stop people to delete. So now I'm going to delete the record. They will show me this error. Okay, order detail record cannot be deleted. Survey raise application error. Just like that. This question very simple. Just one line. Stop people to delete record. Okay? Why? 而且笑的是可以吗？如果是拉方面 OK， 还是笑你们自己太聪明了？啊 ？OK 啊 ？Understand 啊 ？This is a cannot stop people delete. Okay, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay, then go to step 9. After that, then go to question 4. This one is I didn't delete my order detail because every question we do the first 3 need to delete order detail Now I didn't delete. Then after that I run the trigger. I do try to delete. Oh, sorry, your record cannot be deleted. Okay, this is what I need to. So 4 we skip. Question 4. The reason behind is you already done in the tracking there. So remember the tracking one I teach you. I ask you to what? Tracking of it, So remember this one?
Yes.
Just remove all one. This is a product one, then you change the products. It's totally the same. So now I purposely put one product once, am I right? But this table is product only. So all product, product. So product audit instead of product one. Just take out all the one, then that's answer. So no need totally same. Okay, just remove the one only. The numbering you remove all one, remove then run this. So get it. Yeah, so we skip the question 4 because question 4 is totally same. Just remove the one only. Okay, got this. Then go to question 5. Question 5, still remember these things? In which practical? Practical 4 procedure that time I got teach you 5 ways to do validation. First, just your pure if-else statements. Second, raise application error. Third, using default exception like no data file, something like that. Then after that, you use custom exceptions. The name you put empty data. Then the last version, you come with the Prac any exceptions, register your custom exception in the library. 5 ways. Go to refer the file I will share. I think students will know 5 ways to do validation. Okay, so since they're all same, I only focus on raise application error. Okay, this one you can go back to do. How you can refer back the previous practical how to do. Okay, so because it's same, just different way to do it. So I just put the first way. Here, say you must at least 18 years old. At the time you hire. At the time you hire me. When I hire you, I need to know your age. Okay, your age whether more than 18 or not. So now go to describe your employee tables. Your this one got 2 or not? Higher date and DOB got? Huh? Don't have
No.
Then you need to add P5Q5 new P5Q5 P5Q5. Okay. So outer table. Employee. Okay, I try to add 2 columns in one shot. I add a high date and add a DOB date. But my one cannot run any I think you can run. Like this. Okay, you run because I already have. I cannot run again. You can add just like that. After that. See which column is the necessary one. Only the employee number, last name, first name is a must. 一定要的. So these 3 columns are these 2 5 columns higher date and DOB. Employee number, last name, first name, higher date, DOB. These 5 columns, the rest only inside. So employee numbers. Employee number. Last name first or last name first? Oh, last name first. You know, last name is your surname, you know. Last name is your surname. Okay. But foreigner very tedious one. But middle names are more common. Last name, first name, middle name, so trouble. Okay. For us, just put name. Okay. First name, last name, first name. And then higher date. Okay, so number, so it's simply put. Okay. Last thing. EIN. Intern. Okay. How? Okay. Higher date. Today higher date we use system date. Because higher. And this is a birthday. So the birthday we put 它不可以少过18岁，所以这是2023啊。So 随便啦，AUG 2013就2023。Let's say 10 years old 啦，yeah same 啦，10 years old。Okay，就随便做工啦。So now we will create or replace trigger ERP okay, so insert before insert on employee how they know what's a minus 20,000? Minus 20,000 means your custom message. You are under the user. So what's the formula need to put? So one extract function can use. Okay, extract here from holding must be more than equal to 18. Use extract function. Okay, this holding is 1%. Extract a year from 16 minus DOB year to month. Get a number, compare is more than equal to 18 or not. Yes. Less than 18, sorry. Less than 18, error. Less than 18, you are under 18 years. Okay, now try. Okay. Control C, copy. Control V. Right? Now you try this out. DOB name is called DOB, huh? Oh, you didn't use them. here to 1. See, show error, see which error you got. DOB. Oh, new DOB. New DOB. Yeah. Saya bulan, baju cek, tangkap. Nah, pas. Suka error, 这个才是对的。Answer yes. Okay lah, we do this question 6 a bit trouble. So at least you do 6 question 5 or 7. Okay, question 7 at least you just want to do insert 2 more column and so on. Okay, question lah, what do they? 看什么？啊 ？Which error? Which one? P125? Which one? What error? Which error? You come to single here. Okay, that's it lah. Problem? E523,